Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the basics. Charge the A50 and plug the mix amp/base directly into a rear USB port. Once done, install Astro Command Center as an administrator so drivers and firmware can be detected and updated. Make sure Windows is up to date and Bluetooth is off to prevent pairing conflicts. You want the base recognized as a USB audio device before moving on. This ensures firmware updates apply cleanly and avoids intermittent connection issues later. You now handle drivers and system settings. Launch Astro Command Center and apply any firmware updates to both the base and headset. While updating, avoid unplugging the USB cable. After firmware completes, go to Sound Settings and choose the Astro Mix Amp, or A50, as default playback and recording devices so game and chat audio route correctly. Then, click Device Properties Advanced and set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz and turn off audio enhancements to prevent stuttering and latency. You finish by customizing audio and verifying function. Use Astro Command Center to set EQ, Dolby or Windows Sonic, and the game VS Chat mix until balance feels right. Test the mic in a voice app and play audio to confirm all channels work. If you encounter problems, reboot the PC first. If that fails, reflash firmware and try a different USB port or cable. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable exclusive mode in the device advanced settings if an app takes full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.